And our last Quest for the Best Award recipient is Maria Voss. Maria is a junior majoring in international security and conflict resolution with an emphasis in environment and security, and a minor in Arabic and Islamic studies. Her involvements include the Peace Corps prep program, the Residential Education Office, and the Women's Ultimate Frisbee team. Maria has volunteered with Green Love, San Diego Surfrider Beach Cleanups, and the American Friends Service Committee. She has been honored with the Munt Peace Scholarship and the National Residence Hall Honorary Program of the Month, and the University Police Student Employee of the Month. Maria's advisor said of her, "Maria has immediately impressed me as a woman scholar who is driven to serve the United States in a lifelong foreign service career. She stands out as one who engages closely with the scholarly literature and who is not afraid to push the boundaries. Showing a strong dedication to public service and peace building, Maria will no doubt continue to impress colleagues and collaborating partners in a foreign service career. I am confident that her abilities and drive will lead to a strong peace-building contributions in her career. Her hard work and dedication will get her far in life." After graduation, Maria will join the Peace Corps before pursuing a master's in international relations. Maria is honoring Dr. Cheryl O'Brien from Political Science. Dr. O'Brien, thank you again for your mentoring. We will now watch a video and some remarks from Maria.
Hello, my name is Maria Voss and I'm from Davis, California. Being awarded Quest for the Best means so much to me. This institution has introduced me to a support system that has allowed me to grow both professionally and personally, and being recognized specifically for service is the highest honor I can imagine. I am dedicated to taking everything I have learned here at SDSU and continuing to serve in the global community. I want to truly thank my mentor, Dr. Cheryl O'Brien, for modeling the kind of academic and activist I hope to become. Seeing all that Dr. O'Brien has accomplished in the field of international security, especially as a woman in a field where women are often underrepresented, has been extremely inspirational and impactful for me. I now understand that there is a way to utilize my abilities to work for what I am most passionate about. I also want to take this opportunity to thank my Aunt Krista for never letting me doubt myself. Your strength and resilience are the model of the woman I want to be for others. Additionally, I want to express my gratitude to all my friends who have made my journey here at SDSU full of joy while being there for me during the sad and difficult moments. Lastly, I want to send all my love and thanks to my parents and siblings for loving me unconditionally. Thank you for everything.